Hi guys, welcome to DB Talk channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create an Ubuntu VM on Mac Pro M1. As you may already know, VM solutions on new M1 Apple chip is quite challenging because not a lot of software available even as of today. I came to know about Multipass from Canonical, and setting up a VM is pretty easy and also very quick. So let's go through the demo and see how to spin up an Ubuntu VM. So in your browser, you can type multipass.run and you will get this site. So this is about Multipass. And the first thing is you can click on install now, and you can see you can select the platform you want. So in this case, I'm going to install this on Mac OS. So I'm going to select Mac OS. So it already gives you the instructions on how to install. So you can download this Multipass binary file package, then you can open it to execute. Click on continue, and there's a minimum OS version it's mentioned, so you can check that with your Mac OS version and click on continue. Continue again. You just need to agree to the terms and conditions, then finally click on install. So installation is completed. So you close you can move this package to trash. So after installing, so there are some instructions on how to spin up an instance, how to spin up a VM. So let's get into that. So you can open your terminal and then Multipass. You can type Multipass. So there are various commands that you can use with Multipass. So let's go through some of them. First, you can find out what are the VM's image, what are the images available. You can say Multipass find. And so in this case, I'm going to create the Ubuntu VM with version 22.04. That is the latest Ubuntu release. So to create a VM, Ubuntu VM, you can issue this command multipass launch. Actually, you can get the help of what parameters you can use. -h. So here basically you can mention the -c means number of CPUs, -d means disk, how much space you need, -m means how much memory you need, and -n you can give a custom name for the instance. And in addition to that, you can mention the image also, what you need from the result from that you get from Multipass find. So I'm going to use Multipass launch, and the instance I'm going to use is Jammy, and then instance name is Ubuntu Dev. You can give any name for this. The number of cores you need, I'm gonna give 2 here. -m, I'm gonna give memory as 4G. -d, I'm gonna give the disk space as 25G, and then enter. So it's going to basically retrieve the image of this Jammy, and after that it will launch. So I'm gonna pause the video till it download the image. It is still downloading at 57, 60. I'm gonna pause it again. It take few seconds. Download has finished. Now starting the Ubuntu instance. This also may take few seconds. Okay, launch ready. See how much it took, maybe less than 2 minutes. Right, so now you can see what are the instances available in your instance, in your computer. So right now I have only one Ubuntu VM running, and state is running. You can see the IP address also and the version. Now the next part is connecting to this Ubuntu VM. You can again use Multipass, and there's a command called shell, and then the name of the instance that you want to connect. So it is connected as Ubuntu user. Now you are in the VM and you can do sudo update, sudo apt update. So it is updating the repositories. So update repository updates has finished. So you can upgrade them now. So it's done. So that's all. So you have a Ubuntu VM in few minutes. So see you with the next video. Thank you.